In this video, I'll show you how to block apps on your Android phone. Let's get started. If you want to prevent access to certain apps, whether for kids or for yourself, this method is simple and effective. First, swipe up and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now tap on App Timers. Tap on Select Apps and choose the apps you want to block, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Once selected, tap Done. Now tap on Set Timer and set it to 0 minutes. This will effectively block access to those apps. Tap Save. Now, if someone tries to open those apps, they'll see that the app timer has expired. However, they can still change the timer unless you secure it. So let's add a PIN. Go back and tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap on Settings, then enable Set PIN. Create a PIN that's different from your phone lock. Now, no one can change the timer or access those apps without the PIN. And that's it. You've successfully blocked apps on your Android phone. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.